Hey guys, it's Tony. Just updating you guys one more time. We did break that 7 cent barrier. Currently up about 32K. Oh, 32K. But I just wanted to update you guys on the price. It does look like, as of right now, we are headed towards that 8 cent mark. We did create a top at the 8.5, so like the 8 cent, like the 0.085 mark, right? So we do need to have really good momentum to break that 8 cent mark, and after that actually happens, we can easily 10 cents. We can easily see 10 cents, and even more than likely, when we break 10 cents, we're more than likely going to be seeing 25 cents sometime soon. After that gets broken, it's 50. After 50 cents gets broken, there really is no gap in between that up until like a dollar mark. So I do think that if we break that 8 cent gap barrier, we have a really good shot at going straight up towards more like a 15-20 cent area. But you know, we definitely have to gauge momentum. I have to redo the TA because you guys know that I only like hypothesizing on price after I do technical analysis, which has basically been a pretty good step ladder onto where we're actually moving towards, you know, because I actually told you guys the momentum was looking pretty great a couple days back. I released a TA that said, hey, you know, I think we're starting the rally right now to head towards 8 cents. And I think I actually released the video sometime like, I don't know, a couple of days ago. I think it was like around here where I released that TA video. But anyways, we did break that 7 cent barrier. Hopefully we keep the momentum up. But you know, we'll see. This can definitely go back down, but who knows? We don't know where this is going. So far I'm just holding. I'm not stressing out over positions, over selling, over buying, over scalping, whatever, right? I literally just bought, holding, and I'm not even worrying about trading this, right? All I'm doing is just holding. That's it.